Good morning, good afternoon, wherever it may be that you're tuning in from. Thanks for clicking on this video and welcome to my channel. I'm Maddie. It's gonna be a little bit of a weekend in my life. I'm filming this intro a couple days after, so we had a really fun beach day with friends, like all day. It was so fun. And then yeah, a little thrifting day with my friend for some like fun summer pieces and activewear and all that. So thanks for tuning into my channel and I hope you enjoyed the video. And please remember to like and subscribe. It helps my channel so much and I so appreciate it. Good morning. It is 4:37 right now. I was up at 4:15 and we are heading down for beach day. It's Memorial Day weekend, so we're getting an early start to get a good spot down at Santa. So come along on a fun beach day with friends. Just washing this water bottle. I mean, look at that color. I love it. Getting my electrolytes first thing in this morning. And here's my puppy. Wants to say hi. Good morning. Good morning. It is 4:47 now and we are on our way. So we just made it to the beach and there is already about 20 cars outside. And it is 6:08. Crazy, all trying to get in to the park. We made it to the beach and the tide is really low this morning, so we're gonna wait a little while to get out. vlog again, and then I looked outside and the sunset is incredible right now. It's just poking out of the clouds. It's been so gloomy here for the past couple days, so it looks so pretty. It's been a couple days since I picked up the vlog, but I'm gonna start it back up here. I wanted to show you guys a couple new bags that I just got from this brand, Marlaroo. Such cute waterproof bags. They're amazing, especially for the beach and everything. This is a cute little belt bag. So cute. Such, I feel like, vibrant summer colors, which I love. It's got, yeah, like I said, the band here, and then it even has a back zipper pocket behind, which I really love. That's awesome. And then this front pouch, I'll show you what it has in it. It's got, this is when you open it. This is the front open. It's got a pouch here, which is perfect, and then a pouch there. So perfect for like your phone, your keys, your wallet, whatever it may be. Perfect for summer, perfect for traveling, all of that. These bags are amazing for. I feel like I always use them traveling, when you're at your destination, wherever it may be, if you're exploring someday, or even if you're just going to the grocery store or something like that. It's they're perfect. So it just sits here. Yeah, super cute. The next bag I have to show you guys is this. It's like more of a day use bag. Look at how cute that is. And again, the colors, so cute. And I mean, even the straps, the details are just amazing. That strap color, so pretty. And it even has little phrase at the bottom. Inside the bag, it has a zipper pocket right here, which is so nice. The zipper pockets are amazing, especially for the little things that you don't want to end at the bottom of, or don't want to get like all the way on the bottom and have to reach for. They're perfect for like your phone, your wallet, your keys, all that stuff. Yeah, perfect for. So these bags are so cute. Here's their little card. So cute. So you can check them out. I'll leave a link below. Such cute bags and really cute prints, and yeah, really amazing company. So if you want to check them out, they're super cool, and they're waterproof too, which is awesome for the beach and all those kinds of water activities. So definitely go check out Marlaroo. This is going to be the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate it. Please remember to like and subscribe, and tune in next week for a brand new video, and tune in every day this week for a brand new short.